How to private your account in BeReal. So hey guys, in this video here at BeReal, I'll be teaching you how to private your account. To private your account in BeReal, all you need to do is open up your BeReal right here. So here at BeReal, it's just perfect for those who are using BeReal and want to private their account. And now how to private your account in BeReal? Simple as this. All you need to do is open up your BeReal. Once you open up your BeReal, next thing you need to do is click on your profile on the bottom right corner right here. After pressing on right there, you will see a settings icon in the top right corner. Press on the settings icon in the top right corner. After pressing on the settings icon in the top right corner, you will see right here, just below notification, privacy. Press on privacy right there. So here at privacy, you will see a, what they call this, public profile. Here at the public profile, you can now change your profile visibility right here. So to change your profile visibility right here, all you need to do is press on that right there. Once you press on that, you're right there. Your profile, your pin interests are visible for every BeReal user right there, as you can see right now. There you go. So once we click on profile preview, as you can see right now, it looks like that. But if we call this, if we go back and right here, wait, we're gonna go back. I'm gonna turn this off. Then profile preview. This account is private, as you see right there. There you go. As you can see right there. There you go. So once we turn that on and we click on preview, as you see right now, we are not private anymore. So yeah, there you go guys. That's how you public and private your profile here on BeReal. So there. Hope you guys like the video. Please enjoy it. If you have more questions or concerns, you can type it down in the comment below guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible in here. How to rock it guys. And there you go guys. Thank you guys.